In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn mixed call into automated booking system in this presentation. Make sure you watch this complete presentation till the end because I'm going to exactly explain you the pros, the cons of using this system inside your Go High Level account and how to maximize it so that you can get more jobs, you can make more money. And if you are an agency, a SaaS agency using High Level, how can you sell it to other home service business owners so that they can trust you, you can increase their revenue, and they can be your permanent SaaS clients. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Pritam. I run a Go High Level funnel and website design agency. We build marketing funnels, landing pages, websites, automated system, and help strategically to our clients to increase their revenue. We have been doing so for the last 5 years, and I've helped over 100 plus clients create 400 plus custom projects in high level platform. And in this video, I'm going to give you an exact presentation as well as the automated system, and also give you the reason as to how you can get this absolutely free inside my snapshot program. Now watch this till the end. So if you are a home service business provider, or if you are a SaaS agency focused on the home service niche, you know the importance of jobs getting booked on the call. But guess what? Most of these businesses are always on the line. They have boots on the ground, they're working, they're traveling, and it is inevitable for them to missed calls, right? It's always almost that they lose a percentage of calls that customers and leads are calling them for the jobs. Think about a possible scenario where your agency, your business could help them grow this particular revenue by making sure that the funnel is not leaked and you are capturing every single lead, every single inbound call. As you know, inbound calls are hot, they are ready to get sold, and they are the most important calls and important leads that your clients and your revenue needs. In this system, I'm going to explain to you in detail as to how you can leverage high levels platform. And if you're an agency owner, this is the exact presentation you need to give to your own clients. So mixed call system, right? They stop losing revenue jobs, right, every time you miss a call. Now it doesn't matter what kind of home service business you have, right? This system is going to help you 100% sure. I'm also going to show you a quick app that I have built absolutely for free, and I'm going to include that in my snapshot as well. Let me quickly show you that, right? So what is the problem that people are facing in this specific industry? So when you're a home service business owner, whether you're a plumber, HVAC technician, roofers, electrician, cleaner, no matter what kind of home service business you have, you are almost always busy on site, which is a true fact. I have had several clients who are in this agency space. I've also had agency who has 100 plus of these businesses onboarded under their SaaS program, and I have helped them build all these businesses. So these people are almost always busy on site. They are driving between jobs or managing a crew, and missing the phone is inevitable. Losing the customers because of it is not. Right. So I want to explain you as to what exactly happens when you have a missed call. Speed is everything, right? The first business to respond always almost wins because these people are looking for immediate solution, and that's the reason why they are calling your business. Every minute you wait after a missed call, your computer get closer to answering, because guess what? Once you are not answering the phone call, they are dialing the next particular contact available to them, and that's exactly when the computer takes their phone call or get in touch with them, and then they improve the conversion, right? So callers move on fast. When somebody's pipe is leaking or their AC is down, they call the next business on their list immediately. They cannot wait. This is an SOS situation where they need help immediately, and if you're on the go, can't able to pick up the call, guess what happens? You are losing on a lot of leads, and you need to automate this entire system with the high level workflow I'm about to show you. The marketing dollars wasted. So if you're spending on ads, SEO, mixed call marketing is actively leaking and you paid to get those leads, then lost it. Think about it. You're running SEO campaigns, you have Google ads being running on, you have Facebook ads running on, you're creating organic content, and all of these are generating leads and inbound calls which you are missing, because of which you are losing a lot of revenue. And I'm going to show you as to this is a no fallback system. Being busy on the job is novel. Having zero recovery mechanism when you can't answer the phone is a flexible and expensive problem. So if you miss 10 calls this week, you may have lost 10 paying jobs. Even if I consider you have a conversion rate of 60%, you lost 6 jobs. And if every job cost you around $1,000, then you lost $6,000 this week itself. This is the reason why this is one of the biggest problem home service businesses face, and this is how we will be able to solve them, right? The solution: mixed call takes back your automatic recovery system. The fix is very, very straightforward. When your call goes unanswered, there is an automated text message that fires back to the caller within seconds. You stay on the job, the lead stays warm, and here's the exact system of how the system works. Instant text response. That's the first step here. The moment a call is mixed, the system automatically sends a personalized text to the caller, something like, "Hey, sorry we missed you. We are on the job right now. Can I get you to get scheduled?" And then it's going to send them a scheduling link for your calendar. The contact created automatically. The moment somebody calls you, a contact gets created in your high level CRM. The caller's phone number is captured and a new contact record is created or updated in your CRM automatically. No manual data entry. You don't need a person doing this manual stuff. No leads falling through the cracks in a spreadsheet or sticky notes. Everything is intact in your CRM. We will be able to tag this particular lead as to this came through a mixed call, and then we can follow up this later on with a pipeline, with a sales system, and with nurturing sequences that we have built for you, ladies and gentlemen. So lead enters your pipeline, the new contact is instantly dropped into your lead pipeline, so nothing gets forgotten. You and your team can see every missed call lead in one place, follow up in order, and ensure no opportunity gets cold. This is the power of the CRM that Go High Level offers, and we have this build system for our clients. Now, how exactly this works? The system runs entirely on autopilot. Once it sets up, every mixed call triggers the same reliable sequence. A call is mixed, a potential customer calls a business, you are on the job, workflow fires instantly, and then the text sends automatically. Why this beats voicemail every time? Because most callers hang up without leaving a voicemail. Almost nobody listens to voicemail anyways, and that's the reason why an instant SMS can help solve you this particular problem. Now, why speed to response wins in home service businesses, right? So the core principle is very simple. This is one of the simplest systems to build for home service businesses, and but it solves one of the most expensive problem, which is missed opportunities out the door in real time. You captured the lead that you have already paid for. Think about it. You are creating multiple campaigns, spending money, have hired agencies and marketing teams in order to get you leads, but have a leaking funnel, and it is inevitable. But if you install this simple system in your GoHighLevel account, then this is going to 100% work for you. It also builds trust before the conversion start because hey, you have a responsive system. It builds the credibility to your customers who are calling you, and they will get in touch with you because they know that you have a proven system of follow up in place, because means that you really care about that particular lead. It works around the clock. It does not matter at what time you are in. The moment somebody calls you, you're not able to pick that up. You're busy. The call got ended. The call didn't made up to your phone. Whatever the reason is, this is going to 100% work for your business. All right. Now, how to build this system in your business in your Go High Level account? First is you need to connect your phone line. It's basically adding a phone number and making sure that this is A to B compliant in order for the SMS to go through. Then set up the workflow trigger. I'll show you as to how to set up the workflow in this tutorial itself, because once the workflow is being set up, then it's going to send automatic mixed call text back SMS and also notify your team in order for them to understand as to what just happened. It's going to write you the text message. It's going to deliver a customized template SMS to your particular customer, a lead which called you, and then once you test it, and it can go live and it will work 24/7. So it's a very beautiful graphic that we have created here. We say that once you have a mixed call, the text is sent, a lead is created, and pipeline is now active, right? This is exactly how the system works. Now, what mixed calls are actually costing you, right? Run the numbers. So for example, what recovery looks like: SMS open rates are almost 98%, lead recovered is one third. Bottom line, the system costs a fraction of what single recovery job is worth. For most home service businesses, it pays for itself on the very first lead itself, right? And this is exactly how you can create an automated system which you can show in case you are an agency in your landing page in your website, to give you an example of how much revenue you are losing depending on what is the amount of calls you're missing, what is the lead job percentage of conversion that you have, and what is the average job value. You can also have a book to call, and watch the demo video in case you have an agency. So this is exactly how the system works. The next step is to get the system running this week, audit your mixed calls, choose your platform, build and active the workflow, monitor and optimize. Let me quickly show you as to how how we have built this entire system in Go High Level, and we give it for free, absolutely free, for anyone who takes our affiliate or who signs up to Go High Level through affiliate link. Let me quickly show you that. The affiliate link is right in the description box. So basically, I'm using a platform called High Level, and the moment you sign up for a free trial, which is absolutely free, you don't have to pay a penny for 30 days, and you can use this entire system for free, as well as you will get my entire bonus stack of $10,000, including a one-on-one free consultation call, premium landing pages, templates, automations, everything that is there in the snapshot, including this particular automation, right? Absolutely free. You also get a free live bootcamp to your launch high level together. So a high level coach will be there on call and assisting you on how to create this in this 30 days. And again, as I said, you don't have to pay even a single penny. All right, let me quickly show you how the system works so that you can understand it when you get the snapshot from me. First things first, you need to set a trigger. The trigger needs to be for the calls you have missed. So what you need to do here is you're going to click on call details. You need to then select as to which particular filter, which is going to be the call direction, because we want only the inbound call that gets missed. So the call direction should be inbound. Here you have options of inbound or outbound. So I'm going to click on inbound here. Then I'm going to choose as to what should be the status of this inbound call for firing this particular automation. So I'm going to select this as call status, and this should be, for example, I'm busy calling somebody else or already on a call. I canceled this call for some reason. Probably I'm talking to a customer and I don't have the time to pick that up, or I have a no answer. For example, the customer called and it kept ringing and I was busy, so I couldn't answer the phone, or was there a voicemail? For any of these reasons, and I'll save the trigger here. So whenever this thing happens, it's going to trigger this particular automation, and then this is going to work like clockwork, right? So we're going to add a small delay, which is going to be zero point 0.2 of a minute, right? So I'm going to add that delay so that it looks a bit, uh, being settled from a human and not completely automated, even though the entire system is automated. I'm going to assign to a user. Currently, this is assigned to me in my high level account. But for example, when you install it in your Go High Level account, it could be assigned to you or anybody in your team who manages your high level account. Then it's going to add a contact which is going to be mixed call. So in future, when your CRM, when you see this contact which says mixed call, you will know that this contact called our system but couldn't get in touch with us, and hence this tag is added. Then I'm going to show you as to what is the SMS that it sends out to this particular contact. So once these contacts get created inside your CRM, it says, hey there, sorry we missed your call, how can we help? We also send them a location name. We can also send them a link to schedule a call, right? So you can add that link here, and this is going to work perfectly fine, and they can schedule a call as well. Let me leave that. Now it's also going to send you a push notifications. For example, if you're using the Go High Level app, then it's going to send you a missed call notification that, hey, you have a missed call from the contact phone number, from this particular phone number. Please reach out to them ASAP before the lead gets cold. Not just that, apart from sending a notification, it's also going to send you a permanent message which says, hey, username first, because you are the user, right? And you just missed a call from this contact number. Please get back to them ASAP before the lead gets cold. Now, this is the entire workflow system that you get when you get in touch through the high level system using my affiliate link, which is again 100% free, 30-day free trial available. All of this snapshot you can then optimize for your own business. Not just that, I'm also going to give you this entire system and its entire application 100% free, and this is editable inside your high level account. So this is basically a mixed call revenue recovery calculator, and it's going to show you as to how much money you are missing on your job. By the way, the details about this is going to be available on the next video, but I just want to give you a glimpse as to what do you get when you sign up with with the high level account under us, right? This is exactly how this system is going to work, and that's the reason why you should have this in your own business. Thank you so much for watching the video. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section. I'll help you out as well. I'll watch you. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel in case you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.